Okay, well, welcome. Thank you for being here tonight. I'm so glad you guys are here tonight. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your afternoon with us. And I just wanted to say that we appreciate that. So I'm Lisa, as most of you know. You've met me before, but we're also recording this for the rest of our friends and family that we might be sending this to. So we are talking about Freedom Revolution today. And I just want to welcome everybody. We're hosting today in order to be in a network of mission-driven people. So we're on the topic of family health today, and you've been invited because we are interested in sharing with you a little bit about what we're doing and knowing what we're up to. And we're just going to share some quick information for you, some stories. And also, we hope you enjoy listening. Perhaps you'll think of somebody in your life that might want to hear this message. So thank you so much for coming. And so to kick it off, I'd like to ask you a quick question. So would you agree that being healthy today can be challenging? So just show of hands or thumbs up. So there's a lot of confusing information out there, right? There's a lot of information out there that we would like to help to kind of maybe narrow down to make it not so complicated. And sometimes it can be really unpleasant researching all kinds of stuff, and that's where we come in. So I'd like to introduce you to a movement. It's called the Healthy Living Revolution. And so myself, along with thousands of other people, are part of a unique community where together we're taking our health back in ways that are really simple, doable, and really fun. So the goal of the Healthy Living Revolution is to come alongside families who want better health. And we're going to meet you guys where you're at and empower positive changes along the way. So I'm going to take you through the following doorways today that we use to inspire healthy living around the world. First of all, we have free resources, we have nutritional support, and we have a really wonderful organization that makes that happen. So just talking a little bit about the free resources, the team at Healthy Living Revolution has created a really great selection of fantastic resources for families to use. And we have a cookbook of clean and healthy, easy recipes. We have short webinars like this that we're doing today and other really great webinars to plug into regularly. And then also we have a really great website. If y'all want to jot this down, it's healthylivingrevolution.com. And so, hi, how are you?
Hello.
So the Healthy Living Revolution website has free resources on there. Like we mentioned, there's a really great cookbook that you can download. There is also you can look at positive body images for body image resources for children, sharing nutritional habits, families that really are interested in health, lots of great workout videos and things like that on there. So let's talk about nutrition. This is the foundation of good health, and it's really about flooding our bodies with the most important foods that we could ever eat. Raw fruits and vegetables, berries, grains, and also, of course, just getting enough of that in. So we all know that it's very difficult to get a lot of that in every day in your body, right? So we're just looking at ideas and ways to help to flood our bodies with getting the proper amount of fruits and vegetables in, and that would be 9 to 13 servings every day. And a serving size is the size of our fist. So I don't know if y'all can think about the last time you had 9 to 13 servings of fruits and vegetables. So in a single day, right? It's just very, very hard to do, even if you're a vegetarian. So even the best eaters need help. And that's why we're so thankful for the nutritional support of something called Juice Plus. So I'm just going to share with you a little bit about Juice Plus. And Juice Plus is over 30 raw, vine-ripened whole foods. It's non-GMO. It's NSF certified to be pure. And we like to call it a salad bar in a capsule. So I don't have the products with me today, but I'm just going to tell you a little bit about that. And then I'd like to also do a screen share, and I'm going to share with you the information about our nutrition plan as well. And I'm going to show you some information on the pictures of the products so you kind of understand what they are. So I'm going to just kind of jump over to my screen share here. I'm going to share with you what is Juice Plus. And so if you can bear with me for just a second, I'm going to pull up my screen, and then you can see here a little bit about what it is. So I'm going to just share that real quick. Okay, so you should be able to see my screen here. Can you see that okay? I can't see you. So just if you want to unmute and let me know.
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. When I shared my screen, my little video went away. So this is Juice Plus right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And so we're going to be talking a little bit about the 21 Days to Feeling Fit plan today. And so Juice Plus consists of fruits, which are the red ones here, veggies, which are the green ones over here, and then the purple ones, which are the berries. So you've got in the fruit one, you've got cranberries, oranges, pineapples, papayas, cherries, peaches, and apples. In the veggie, you have cabbage, tomatoes, carrots, kale, beets, spinach, broccoli, parsley, oat bran, and rice bran. And then on the berries, you have blackberries, blueberries, Concord grapes, raspberries, blueberries, elderberries, blackberries, or I said blackberries, and then black currants, cranberries, and red currants. And then I'm going to scroll up here to the omega blend. And Juice Plus has a natural blend of plant-based omegas, which are 3s, 5s, 6s, 7s, and 9s, consisting of pomegranate seed oil, raspberry seed oil, sea buckthorn berry oil, tomato seed oil, algae oil, and safflower oil. So these are awesome. They don't have any fish oils or krill oils. So it's very safe. You don't have to worry about having mercury or any kind of those things in there. Plus, it's also very sustainable. And so that's the basics of what the product consists of. So I'm going to just scroll back here a little bit and just show you a little bit about our plan. So the 21 Days to Feeling Fit consists of a structure of our daily intention, daily affirmations, a really awesome nutrition plan, daily meditation and prayer, yoga, Zumba or movement. You have an accountability partner and a coach and a group from Facebook. We also have a tracker, a social media hashtag that we're using, and also all the recipes. So you're going to get, when you join this group, you're going to get this awesome planner here, which consists of these topics here that we're going to just go over briefly. I'm not going to go over the whole thing today. But the first thing that we're going to talk about is just really the basics about getting started on your plan. And that's really awesome steps to creating a lifestyle change, which starts with a very simple intro. And I'm going to just scroll down here to the intro, and we're talking just about doing something very, very simple and very, very doable for 11 days. And that is a detox called the Cranberry Cleanse. So I'm going to scroll here to the Cranberry Cleanse, and this consists of eating 1 clean meal per day off of the recipes, 3 to 5 healthy snacks off the list. If you're wanting to lose weight, you're going to eat 2 to 3 meals and 5 to 6 snacks and your shakes. So your shakes can replace any of those meals or those snacks. And we're going to finish eating 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. You're going to stick to the whole food eating and shopping guide, which also is included in this plan. And you're going to drink the cranberry detox, which is here on this picture. So it consists of cranberry juice, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar and water. And the suggested schedule here is to drink it before breakfast. As a healthy breakfast, you can drink your Juice Plus shake. Then as a midday, you're going to drink your detox drink. And then as a healthy lunch, you're going to drink the recipes, or you're going to eat one of the recipes, share it in your Facebook group or on this plan here. Also before dinner, you're going to drink your detox drink. So you're drinking it when you're not eating. And then after dinner, you're going to have your healthy shakes and chips that are going to be shared in the Facebook group. So here is just kind of the basics to the Cranberry Cleanse. And this is how we're going to start. It's a free plan. You're going to be able to join the Facebook group and have accountability to this. So you're mixing 100% cranberry juice, 1 tablespoon of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and 1 ounce of organic lemon juice or a fresh squeezed lemon, which is preferred. And you're going to mix it into 32 ounces of water. You're going to drink 8 ounces of that right when you wake up, and then all day long between meals for at least 11 days. Now you can continue this healthy habit for life or as long as you want. We recommend continuing to drink 8 ounces every morning. Then in addition, you're going to follow the plan and then drink 2 just Juice Plus Complete shakes every day. So if you want to unmute, if you have any questions there on that portion of the plan, just unmute and ask any questions that you might have. If not, we're going to move on to the next step, which is the next 10 days. So that's 11 days. And then you're going to consistently do that detox drink in the mornings right before breakfast. And then you're going to move into the Shred 10. So this is where we detox our life, we detox bad habits. Embracing one simple change at a time is a 10-day jumpstart to an amazing lifestyle. So here is the guidelines to the shred. I'm going to zoom in here. We're going to add more real food. We're going to add in the Juice Plus trio of capsules, which includes the fruits, the veggies, and the berries. I would also recommend adding in your omegas at any time. And then the 2 complete shakes a day, plenty of water, sleeping 7 to 8 hours, exercising most days, and then we're going to eliminate gluten, dairy, caffeine, alcohol, processed foods, artificial and refined sugars, and stopping eating at 6 p.m. or at least 3 to 4 hours before you go to bed. You're going to follow the plan, and I want you just to check out shred10.com here, and that's going to give you some details on the guidelines. If you want to jot that down, it's shred10.com. We do this for 10 days. We start as a group on the first Monday of every month, so you can jump in whenever you're ready. You're going to meet with your coach in order to order the products and talk about your health goals. Then you're going to drink your 2 Juice Plus complete shakes a day. If you're wanting to lose weight, you're going to use those as a meal. You're going to add more things into there to make it into a full smoothie. The recipes are included at the bottom of this program. Also, if you don't want to lose weight and you just want to detox and cleanse, you're going to use your shakes as a shake with just mixing it up with like almond milk and the vanilla powder or the chocolate powder. You're going to take your Juice Plus Orchard, Garden, and Berry blends every day to get your micronutrients of veggies, fruits, and berry powders every day. You can either take 2 capsules or 4 chewables a day. For greater results, you can also double up your capsules. You can never eat too many fruits and veggies. So you're going to eat off the whole food and eating and shopping guide. You're not going to eat any wheat products by going gluten-free and dairy-free for those 10 days. Sugar-free, alcohol-free, and caffeine-free, and do this to the best of your ability. Don't freak yourself out and think you can't do it just because you drink a cup of coffee or something. So you're going to avoid oils and you're going to eat healthy fats. You're going to use the whole food eating and shopping guide and only eat wild-caught fish, 100% grass-fed beef or organic chicken, only 1 to 2 times a week. Possibly, if it's a fit for you, you can go vegan for the 21 days. And we just want to encourage you that you can do it. So after the cranberry cleanse and the shred 10, you'll have reached 21 days. So woohoo! That's on to the lifestyle. If you have a juicer, you can begin juicing anytime you want to, just for fun. Your Juice Plus Complete Powder Smoothie and your capsules or gummies arrive within 3 to 5 days. So you can start with doing juicing if you have a juice extractor. Juicing is fun but messy and it's time consuming, so only do that for fun. Remember, you're going to be getting all the nutrients for every organ of your body in your Juice Plus chewables and your capsules. So everything you eat or drink is on top of that. And so then as soon as you finish your 21 days, you're on to the Live It lifestyle, which is 80-10-10 rule. So 80% of the time you're going to live basically on the Shred 10 lifestyle. 10% of the time you're going to live on just basically mostly on the lifestyle. And then you're going to also live 10% on just giving up the lifestyle, just kind of living life and just enjoying it. So you have that really equal balance so you can really have a nice, even lifestyle. You're going to do the Shred 10 plan and the 21-day detox until you get to your ideal weight, and then you're going to live the 80-10-10. So this moves into 120 days of a complete lifestyle plan from your 10 days. Applying one simple change at a time. Continue to drink your 2 Juice Plus complete smoothies every day. You're going to take your Juice Plus Orchard, Garden, and Vineyard blends and your Omega blends every day, either 2 capsules or 4 gummies of each color per day. You're going to eat minimal wheat products throughout the lifestyle, mostly gluten-free and dairy-free for about 80% of the time, eating no cheese and occasional yogurt or organic butter for cooking. You can eat a palm-sized portion of organic meat or wild-caught fish. We recommend 3 times a week. And so, of course, you're just going to kind of wean yourself into this lifestyle and do as much as you can, as often as you can. You're going to use only water-washed, low-processed soy. So avoid soy isolates and processed foods and packaged foods. If you haven't yet started on the Omega blend, we recommend starting on your Omegas. Omegas support the health of every organ in the entire endocrine system. They're so important. And in our country, we usually only get Omega-6s. So a full spectrum of plant-based omega is super important. Avoid the fish and krill and get it straight from the sources from your Juice Plus Omega blend. Now we have a link here that you can watch some videos later that's super short and really easy and fun. And then I just want to scroll down here and show you a little bit about the smoothies. So if you have a juicer or a blender, the high-powered recipes will, a high-powered blender will do really good with these recipes as notated, but even a regular blender is fine. And then if you are doing really fibrous greens, you really can't do that with a regular blender, but you just want to substitute spinach. So no blender is needed to make a Juice Plus shake though. You can just make it up, shake it, and use your choice of juice or water. Use a shaker cup or a mason jar with a lid or a few ice cubes to shake it up and break up the powder. So this is your Juice Plus Complete, and you can see it has 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. It's all plant-based. It's high protein, gluten-free, non-dairy, low glycemic, and vegan. And if we zoom in here, you would be able to see the label has really awesome proprietary blend of plant-based powders. And so then the next one is your chocolate one. So here's your Dutch chocolate. Again, 13 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber. So in your 21-day Feeling Fit plan, you're going to have lots of ideas for smoothie additives. And then we're going to scroll down here and you'll have a lot of really great recipes. And then you also have some lifestyle recipes as well. And so we'll go over that in more detail on our next call. But I just want to kind of give you the overview of the program. I'm going to stop sharing my screen here. And to see if anybody has any questions, we can jump off of mute and see if anybody has any quick questions about the 21-day plan. We're going to start it on March 1st, but you can start quickly if you want to start right away. So all of us as a group together are going to start kind of like a pre-spring cleanse. So March 1st is it starts on the equinox, which is the 21st. So we're going to start on the 1st with our 10 days of just detoxing with the cranberry drink, and then we're going to do the 10-day shred immediately after that. So 11 days of the cranberry, 10 days of your shred. It's going to take us right up to the very first day of spring. So we're going to be all on this really great feeling, high-level energy when the spring equinox comes. So that is what I'm super excited about sharing with everybody today. If you want to go ahead and unmute, and or if you want to add anything, Madonna or Esty or Lori, if you have any questions, you can unmute here, and we can just jump off of our mute and just ask anything that you need to or share anything you'd like. So anybody?
I did this for, I guess it was right before Christmas, the detox. I really liked it. So it's a great way to just get your body into that mode. So it's a really good program.
It is. I love it. And I'm still doing it every single day. So we started as a group the day after Christmas for the 12 days of Christmas. And then we just continued right on. Like those of us that had been doing it, I did it for the 12 days, like full on drinking 32 ounces a day. I really recommend too, making sure you don't use cranberry cocktail, first of all, because that's not even real cranberry juice. Second of all, using the really dark colored cranberry that's non-filtered, like you would get from Sprouts. That makes a huge difference. Like I had to buy 100% cranberry from the grocery store the other day because I didn't get to Sprouts. And it's not nearly, I'm not feeling the effects of the detox drink like I do normally because it's so watered down and filtered. So that makes a huge difference. Even if it's 100% cranberry, it's the real kind that you can see through. It's not going to cut it. You need to use the real stuff. I know even you can even boil real cranberries down and then just filter them. So that works too. But yes, so that is a really great way. It's totally free. It's like, I want to make sure that you guys know that you can invite all your friends and family to do this, and it's not going to cost them anything. We want to be able to coach them into detoxing and just jumping in this 11-day cleanse just with us as a group. And then if they want to jump in to do the shakes, awesome. If you guys want to jump in and invite your friends to do the shred with us, awesome. But you can enter at any level. So that's kind of what we want to go over today. So I just wanted to thank you so much for being here. And, Madonna, thank you for sharing your experience with the shred and the detox. And I'm looking forward to doing this with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and stop recording here, and we can ask any questions